Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, we are taking a look at VondereichFX EA, an expert advisor that is developed for MetaTrader 4. The VondereichFX EA. This EA is available as a free download on the MQL5 Marketplace, and the developer listed here is Mod Hakim Johari. The version currently shown is version 1.7, which was updated on August 14th, 2023. Starting with the Marketplace overview, the developer presents VondereichFX EA as a fully automated MT4 expert advisor designed to provide flexibility for traders with different risk preferences. As we scroll through the description, we can see that the EA includes several configurable features that allow users to customize how it operates based on their trading objectives. One of the first features highlighted is auto compounding based on percentage. This means the EA can adjust position sizing as account equity changes, allowing growth or risk exposure to scale according to account performance. There is also support for customizable trading sessions, giving traders the ability to define when the EA is allowed to trade. The description also mentions RSI integration for trade entries. According to the developer, the relative strength index is incorporated into the system to help identify trading opportunities. In addition, the EA includes a semi-hedging automatic system, which forms part of its overall trade management approach. As we continue through the feature list, we can see adjustable pip step and lot exponent settings. All right. These are particularly important because the developer specifically states that the EA uses a Martingale trading strategy. The ability to adjust these values gives traders control over how the strategy scales positions over time. The recommended lot exponent range provided by the developer is between 1.12 and 1.5. The EA also supports all major currency pairs as well as gold or XAU-USD. For traders interested in gold trading, the developer provides specific recommendations suggesting a pip step value of 300 and a target of 100 pips. Looking further down the page, the trading strategy section provides additional details. The developer states that profit targets can be configured between 10 and 50 pips, allowing users to adjust objectives based on their preferred trading style and risk profile. In terms of account compatibility, VondereichFX supports cent, micro, and standard accounts. The minimum recommended deposit listed here is $100 for micro or standard accounts, or 10,000 cents for cent accounts. Now let us transition over to the historical backtesting section. Okay, what we have here seems like it's just input settings. All right, let's just head over to our strategy tester on MT4. Okay, so whenever I review an expert advisor, I like to look at historical testing performance as a way of understanding how the system behaved under previous market conditions. Historical testing helps reveal how an EA manages trades, responds to market movement, and applies its underlying rules over time. I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments. So we are testing the VondereichFX EA on gold on the H1 time frame, and we are using the every tick model. We are testing over the past 3 months, 23rd March to 23rd June 2026. So the initial deposit is $10,000, total net profit 218.64. The total trades taken were 2,322, out of which 2,196 were profitable giving us a 94.57% win rate. All right, and then the largest profit was 891.36, largest loss 276.62, average profit 2.16, and the average loss was 35.85. So this tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is very bad, because we can see the difference between the average profit and the average loss is so much. Now let's go turn on the visual so that we can also see this EA in action. Okay, looking at the historical chart activity, we can observe the EA's behavior within the context of the strategy described by the developer. Since the system uses RSI-based entries alongside a Martingale approach, the trade management and position progression shown in the backtest become important areas to evaluate when reviewing the completed results. The historical chart can also provide insight into how the adjustable pip step and lot exponent settings influence overall trade behavior. Because these parameters directly affect how positions are managed, testing different configurations can significantly impact historical outcomes. Now, when reviewing the historical testing performance, it is important to remember that these are historical backtest results only. They should not be viewed as guarantees of future performance. Actual results can vary depending on risk settings, lot sizing choices, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, account types, and user optimization. So, overall, the VondereichFX EA offers a flexible MT4 trading system with auto compounding, customizable trading sessions, RSI integration, semi-hedging functionality, and a Martingale-based approach with adjustable management parameters. The free availability on the MQL5 Marketplace also makes it easy for traders to download and test the expert advisor for themselves. Okay, but as always, make sure that you perform your own testing and optimization on a demo account first before considering any live trading environment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.